to download Robinhood app. To download and install the Robinhood app on your iPhone, follow these simple steps. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once inside the App Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner of your screen and type down Robinhood in the search bar and simply search for it. Now, locate the app developed by Robinhood Markets Inc. and tap the download button or cloud icon with an arrow or get option available there, and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password if prompted. So that is it. Now wait for the installation, and once installation is completed, you can tap on the open option available there and open the app. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.